Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to share the top 5 free productivity apps every student needs to know about in 2024. Whether you're juggling classes, assignments, or just looking to make your study sessions more efficient, these apps will be game changers. First up, we have Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that helps you organize notes, plan projects, and even track your goals. I use it to create class notes, weekly planners, and even keep a study journal. It's perfect for anyone who wants a flexible app that adapts to their workflow. Next, we have Google Keep. This app is super simple for capturing quick notes or reminders. It's perfect for jotting down ideas during class or creating a to-do list for the day. Plus, it syncs across all your devices, so you can access it anywhere. Third on the list is Forest. If you have a hard time staying focused, Forest is amazing. It encourages you to stay off your phone by growing a virtual tree as you work. If you leave the app, your tree withers, so it's great for sticking to study sessions. Now, let's talk about Quizlet. Quizlet is a flashcard app, perfect for reviewing terms and concepts. You can create your own sets or use ones made by other students. I like to make flashcards for each chapter we cover in class and review them before tests. Last but not least is Microsoft To Do. This app is all about task management. It helps you keep track of assignments, upcoming exams, and daily tasks. I love using the My Day feature to plan out my tasks each morning. And that's it. Those are my top 5 free productivity apps for students in 2024. Each of these apps has helped me stay organized and focused, especially with my Saturday classes and all my study plans. Let me know in the comments if you try any of these apps, or if there's another app you'd recommend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.